Millions of people hope for a future world in which goodwill flourishes and the well-being and right relations between people, nature and the earth is paramount. We dream of a world that is whole, that integrates the vision of human rights and earth stewardship with the principles of sharing, so that together we can create a better world of peace and justice for all. Large numbers today find their meaning and purpose in helping create such a world. Through the determination, creativity and concern of so many groups and individuals, we are moving towards a more enlightened future. But something else is needed too. In order to build the world we long for, we need to draw on our higher capacities of will, of love, and of lighted intelligence. People of good will and good heart can pool their spiritual resources and come together in focused prayer and attention to invoke the energies of the soul of humanity, those divine potencies that lie in the higher reaches of our nature. The Great Invocation is a world prayer that concentrates the natural call constantly arising from people of all cultures for light and love and the will to do that which is good and right. Its beauty and strength lies in its simple expression of a number of universal truths. The truth of the existence of a basic intelligence, to whom we vaguely give the name of God. The truth that behind all outer seeming, the motivating power of the universe is love. The truth that throughout history and in all faiths, great individualities have come to earth and embodied that love, so we could understand. And the truth that both love and intelligence are effects of the will of God. It is the will and plan of God for humanity to constantly evolve and develop in its ability to express love. We are approaching a time when we can expect another great individual to come to lead us forward on this path. Hence the call in the Great Invocation, may the coming one return to earth. Every year since 1952, large numbers of people have used the Great Invocation on World Invocation Day. Please include the Great Invocation as part of your regular prayers and meditations on this day, knowing that as you do so, you are linking with countless others from around the globe who are united in a concentrated act of invocation. The Great Invocation. From the point of light within the mind of God, let light stream forth into human minds. Let light descend on earth. From the point of love within the heart of God, let love stream forth into human hearts. May the coming one return to earth. From the center where the will of God is known, let purpose guide all little human wills, the purpose which the masters know and serve. From the center which we call the human race, let the plan of love and light work out, and may it seal the door where evil dwells. Let light and love and power restore the plan on earth.